Welcome to Audio and Video Production Technology. We're in the studios of our radio station WDCC. The Audio and Video Production Technology curriculum offers certificates in audio, video, and podcasting, as well as a diploma and an associate degree. There's basically two types of students that excel in this industry. One is a person who's creative and likes to work behind the scenes and maybe do a lot of audio, video, or marketing production. The second type of person is somebody who wants to be in front of the camera or in front of the microphone. They still need to be very creative, but maybe they're a little more outgoing. We operate 2 FM stations here. This is one of them, WDCC 90.5 FM. It's on the Lee County main campus. The second radio station is at our Lillington main campus, and that is WUAW 88.3. Both stations give students real-world and hands-on experience every day that they're here in class. They work not only here in the studios of WDCC, they also work in our production rooms. Our students also operate a TV station. That's 4CNC TV. They produce a variety of shows, and these shows air on 17 North Carolina channels, and they're basically through Spectrum TV, Time Warner, and CenturyLink. Also, we stream 4CNC and WDCC worldwide. So, if this is something you're interested in, please contact us.